can cross over there, Wayne. You can cross over there.
Yeah.
Settle railway station.
Settle down.
Yeah, that one was settle up. Oh, sunflowers. They look nice. Really old. Alfred Wainwright is Britain's best-known fell walker. Brought up in Milltown, Blackburn, he first travelled to Lakeland in 1930, a visit that would change his life. In the autumn of 1938, with Britain on the brink of war, Alfred Wainwright escaped the pervasive fear and gloom by playing truant in the Pennines. He set out on a long walk from Settle to the Roman wall and back. The manuscript of the book he wrote about the journey lay in the drawer for almost 50 years. In it, there's a portrait of the young Jack the Lad Wainwright, vibrant, humorous, in search of adventure. When it was published in 1986, a reviewer described it as a marvellous account of a solitary journey by a man with a profound, even spiritual love of the hills. On the 25th of September 1938, Alfred Wainwright left here on his Pennine journey and returned on the 5th of October, having walked a distance of around 210 miles. Midland Railway Extension, Settle to Carlisle Railway, 125th anniversary, 1876 to 2001. Settle Signal Box is a Grade 2 listed building, built in 1891 and moved to its present location in June 1997 to allow for safe public access. It had a prefabricated timber frame structure that is clad in timber weatherboarding, and it has hipped roof covered in Welsh slate with 2 decorative spiked finials. It is 2 bays long and arranged on 2 levels. The upper level operating stage accommodates a 20-lever frame. The lower level provides space for the mechanical pulleys and associated balancing weights. Single glazed windows on the upper level provide uninterrupted views in both directions with horizontal sliding sash frames. An external flight of steps provides access to this level of a narrow gallery on 3 sides, facilitates window cleaning. And that's the signal box at Settle Station. It's the end of the line. Restored by the Friends of the Line. Settle signal box. And those sweet peas are really nice. Lovely colour. And the chrysanthemums. And that takes us over to the other side. And from Settle Station, London is 236 miles that way. Settle altitude 510 feet. Have you seen the signal box down there?
Jumped out of my bloody skin.
And Carlisle is 72 miles that way. We even have toilets. Settle signal box. What is a semaphore signal? Semaphore signals are physical indications to the drivers of trains, instructing them to stop and give them permission to go. They are controlled by signalmen or women working in signal boxes. The fundamental principle of the safe working of trains is that only one train can be in any one section of line at one time. Each section of line is protected by a signal. Modern signals look similar to traffic lights, but older ones, called semaphore signals, date from the 19th century. Some still survive on the Settle and Carlisle. Semaphore signals are metal arms on top of a toll post. A stop sign has a red arm with a white stripe. When the arm is horizontal, it means stop. When it is raised at 45 degrees, it means go. Settle signal box has 2 stop signals. Settle signal box also has a distance signal. The distance signal warns the train driver if they need to stop at the next signal. This warning notice is critical because trains are long and heavy, up to 2,000 tonnes for today's freight trains over the Settle and Carlisle can take half a mile or more to come to a halt. Signal box lever frame being operated on the first floor of the signal box. The lamp hut is a prefabricated structure made from corrugated metal. It provides safe storage for oil lamps, tools and fuel. All lamps illuminate the glass lenses of the signal arm so that they could be read at night. Lamps had a fuel capacity to last 8 days. Outside the signal box there are 3 fire buckets which contain sand and water. The buckets are painted red and have the word fire stencilled on the front in white. Every steam engine needs water. The water crane situated by the signal box would have delivered a large volume of water into the tender of a steam engine. Without water, the steam could not be produced to power the engine. This model was made for the Settle Flower Pot Festival by Adam Burney of Giggleswick Junior School. Adam is a keen and knowledgeable fan of steam. Well done, Adam.
Steam engine coming through.
And there's a nice brick house. All sorts of stuff. Even a cup and saucer. All sorts of things crammed in there. The water tower. A dinosaur flower pot in the coal yard.
No, we just arrived early, that's all.
Just to get the best specs.
Yeah, you will be.
Yes, I'm afraid so, mate. I do apologise. I'm not padding, so where you're standing, that's perfect.
Oh, well.
If you sat down, you might be alright. Don't go further than that in the snow. You'll get done.
You get the station staff rolling, you?
You can get fined for that. £1,000 fine.
If you just move in a bit, there won't be a problem at the stand there.
Why should I? I got here to set
You're not going to move.
No.
You sit down, you're trying to get way out of it.
There's another platform.
Remember that. You also bring the rail stuff.
You get these on people.
I mean, presumably he's an enthusiast, so you should have some.
Well, if he's
Apparently it's got a restriction of 60 miles an hour. So that was us at Settle railway station. Gorgeous surroundings. beautiful. Yep, that's Settle railway station done.
And gates are locked.
To help the channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.